Hello guys, welcome back to WordPress W3 School. WooCommerce is the open-source e-commerce platform for WordPress. Our core platform is free, flexible, and amplified by a global community. The freedom of open source means you retain full ownership of your store's content and data forever. Whether you're launching a business, taking brick-and-mortar retail online, or developing sites for clients, use WooCommerce for a store that powerfully blends content and commerce. WooCommerce Plugin free install and activate.